RV DualPane Solutions. Do you have foggy, cracked, or broken glass or a windshield? Even unsightly, creeping seals? Let RV DualPane Solutions handle it for you. Today, we're in Mesa, Arizona, Keith and Julie's 97 Beaver Monterey, with a pretty bad case of the creeping seals. Here are a few examples. Let's get to work. Alright, we got Angel in here. This is step one, I guess. You're taking the inside frame off to get the sash or the pane out. And then what, you're going to collect them all? Take them all outside and do your thing?
Yeah.
Okay, this is pane number one coming out.
So does this new that you're applying still have that little aluminum piece in it, or is this just...
No.
Okay, so
no, this one does that have the aluminum strip.
It won't have that issue as much, or if...
No. No, that's... On the Beaver motorhomes is where they carry the aluminum strip there.
Really? Interesting.
Because they don't really get foggy. Because they have a good seal, it's just that strip that they put in there.
Yeah, because they're in Oregon, they don't have to worry about it getting hot.